So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? And I am Shubham back again with a new video for you guys related to Armory crates. I'm going to explain you everything from that software visually as well as by telling it, and this video is going to be good for you. After this you don't need to check any video related to Armory Crate software specifically. So this was the last video I uploaded and there was a good response of you guys, as you guys can see, and also there were people commenting down in the comment section, which I was really glad to see that thing, because you guys are getting connected and which is a very good thing for me, and I am very happy. So let's get to the software quickly. So this is the Armory Crate software and this is the home page of the software. Okay, so here you can find the specifications of my laptop which I am using now. So talking about the home page, here you get the temperatures and all you can see of the CPU in animation type. And let me show you one thing. See, as I turn off my charger, you can see this automatically getting shifted from turbo to performance mode. And see, it's showing different things. So what is this? I am going to explain you guys. So first mode, you get a Windows mode in which the performance will also be low, as well as the battery consumption because of that will also get decreased. So your battery will last long and your performance will be average, which is good for doing day-to-day tasks or if you are in traveling and all. After that you get a silent mode which you can use at night times. The performance will be average and the battery consumption also average. And in performance mode, this is on battery performance. So when you are not connected to the charger, you can go on this performance mode. It automatically goes, you don't have to do anything. So it goes on the performance mode and the performance is more than average, not good, like more than average, and the battery consumption also same, it increases as compared to other two types. After that you get a turbo mode which is only turned on when you connect your charger. See, where as soon as I plugged in, it automatically gets shifted to turbo mode. Okay, so just 1 minute. Yeah, so as soon as I turn on turbo mode, you can not see visual changes, but inside the software it changes some things, like it gives you more performance. It will give you the max performance that is available right now for you guys from this laptop and the specifications. And then you can also go for manual mode where you can change different things like the speed of the fan. So it is good if you know some detailed stuff about this laptop. And let me show you again on turbo mode. See, this is the fan speed, as I told you guys already. Then you get a status bar of the CPU. So you can check the frequency of the CPU as well as the usage, the memory, frequency, temperatures, voltage, and everything. So mostly people see the temperature, nothing else. I also do that thing, genuinely speaking. After that, you can see the GPU stats over here. See the base clock, and it goes on ROG boost. See, and there are different mode. Okay, and the usage, how much percentage is getting used, because I'm using OBS in the background to record this video, so it is showing 30%, and CPU also 20% around average. And then you can see the temperature of your GPU and the voltage, how much it is using, and the TGP, which is the thing I told already in my previous video. So this is having a 95 watt TGP at the max. So when you need a very good performance, it will automatically turn on and go till 95 watts and give you a very good performance. After that you can see the memory and storage, which is like good. You can just see how much percent it's filled up, like it shows in your smartphones. Then you can see the fan speed, at what speed the fan is rotating, and it is measured in RPMs, rotation per minute, as you guys all know. So this is also good stuff to know, like what is your fan speed. If someone asks, you can tell them easily. Okay, it's like a cool thing. After that you can see the system configurations. Here you can turn on the Windows key. See, the Windows key get disable. So this is helpful for gaming and kind of stuffs. if you don't want to use your Windows key, like sometimes instead of pressing the control key, you by mistakenly press the Windows key and whole your game goes down and you get killed off in some FPS games. And because of that they gave this feature. Mostly in the gaming laptop only they provide this kind of features. Then there is a ROG key which is used to launch this Armory Crate software. You can also customize these things, I think so. After that, this is the mouse pad. You can turn off the mouse pad while playing games so that it doesn't interrupts in your gaming. Then boot up sound. So this is also a good feature. I turned it on. Actually, it's by default also turned on. When you boot up your laptop, it gives a logo on your screen like other brands, and it shows ROG logo on this laptop, and it gives a sound like some kind of katana, means a sword which gets out from the cover, and the sound you can hear same sound. And after that, these are the different CPU modes which I will show you in the later part of this video. And let's go to another section. See, here you can find some games which I play in day-to-day life for just casual gaming. And after that, this is different apps which are supported by this software and by ASUS. And these are different profiles I have created. And let me tell you guys, there is no camera available in any ROG series. Only if you are buying a flagship ROG series, then only you will get an external camera inside the box, or else you will not get any camera, which I got to know after buying this laptop, because no YouTuber have specifically mentioned which series you will be getting the camera and all. So for using your camera, you can use your mobile phone camera by installing the link to My Asus app on your phone, and you can use your smartphone camera and do live streams. Yeah. And after that, let's go to the another section. Here, the login section, nothing else in front of this. That's it. Let's go to the another tab. So device section, we have to go in system, and here you can find different things like your memory, GPU, lights, audio, resource monitoring. So I kept my laptop very optimized, so there is nothing to free up right now. After that we'll move to the GPU section, which is very important thing. You guys should note it down. Because of this I thought my GPU is again corrupted as my old laptop, so I was going to replace it, but after that when I connect to the charger I got to know these things. Let me tell you. So in standard mode, balance between performance and battery life. Okay, so it will balance it out as I told you in the previous home section also. Then there is the eco mode, in which the maximum battery life will be provided with reducing game performance. It is used mostly in travel time. And after that, optimize mode, which will automatically do some things for you, like it will automatically turn off the GPU when you are not gaming or you are not on charge. So this thing was turned on in my laptop, and it was done by me itself, but I didn't know that this thing will completely turn off my GPU. And in taskbar also the GPU was not visible. I thought again the GPU got corrupted because of something. Therefore I was going to replace this laptop, but after some time, after doing some research on YouTube and searching on Google, I got to know that if you change the settings, you can turn your GPU on and turn it off again, like that things. So in the background this processes are going on since I'm shooting by OBS, so this is all, I can't stop it. And lightning section is also present in this navigation bar, which I'll cover it up half in the later part of this video. So these are the features which are provided to you. Actually this ROG variant is having two types of light. Actually you can say three types, because one is present on the keyboard, which are RGB, and then the RGB strip is also present on the front side section, which goes till the side sections half, not half, but yeah, 30% it covers on the side section also. And I'm recently using the static one only because it gives a very casual use experience. And also I kept the same color as my mouse color. You can change the color from here. See, you get a multiple options. and you can also customize and save the colors over here. And this is the brightness of the light, how much brightness you want. And yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you, the third light. So where is the third light? It's present on the ROG logo at the top and behind the screen. Actually, it's not a light, it just glows when your laptop is on, like when your display is on, it automatically shows some kind of light. I think because of the display, don't know exactly. You can search it on Google or something. And these are different lights and all. Then we go to the audio section, and this is the very much best thing for gamers, streamers, or normal YouTubers also. I am personally using this feature very much. In every part of my video, I am using this feature. Let me tell you how. See, as soon as I turn off this feature, you can see the change in the audio, like behind sounds will be coming to you, like some sounds of banging or some vehicle sound, some fans sound noise and everything. So you can cut that everything off without doing any OBS setting. Just have to turn on this thing and see the magic. The audio is completely changed. And here they give two types of features. Like input one is available on most of the devices, but the output one is also available. Like when you are getting a sound from another person, you can turn this on and you can cut down the noise of that person or any sound which is coming. So this is a good feature which the ROG software provides. Then resource monitoring, here you can record all the stuff like how your resources are going while you are gaming, streaming, or doing any performance heavy task. You can turn different things on and you can import all these things to a file. And that's it about this section. Let's go to the another Aura system, sorry, Aura sync. And here you can sync your laptop lights and all the bottom lights and everything. Here you get the Aura effect software, and you can separately also install this software. And there are advanced effect options. This is all about the lightning colors, like different types of colors you will get. So let's skip this part, it's not that needed. So going ahead to the gaming visual, this is the section I haven't used a lot, but yeah, I know about this section. So if you guys know about photo editing or video editing, you might have gone through the color grading section where you will find this type of bars, like you can change the colors to warm tone or like the cool tone. So it will just give you a feel of the warm tones or cool tones. It will change the color accordingly, like it will turn to yellow for warm and it will turn blue to cool tones. And here you have different features for playing different types of games. FPS games also are supported, racing games and cinemas, eye care, vivid features are there. So you can check this out. Also they have written some things under this. So let's go to the another section. This is the game library. These are the games which I'm playing recently. So all these are genuine. This is free, this is free, this is paid, but I got it for free from Epic Games when the sale was going on. So it is very good to play, and in GTA it gives me around 120 plus FPS when I'm playing on this laptop on charge, and in Valorant it gives me above 160 FPS average, but this display is supported for 144 FPS, so I am locking it till that point. And in PUBG I don't know exactly, but it gives around 90 plus FPS, which is good to play. Because I only played one match in this, since there are no friends to play PUBG PC, I just kept that game. Just for trying the experience, I played it once. After that, here you can see different types of profiles. You can select your profile for gaming and you can set the things for default in that. Like if you connect to charger or settings, you can do too many things. The customization is very good thing which they provide. So just you can click on the different profile and switch the settings very easily. So this part also you can check it out. After that there is a featured section in which you can find game deals, content platform, recommended section, and much more stuff. And here you can get the news of Asus, like which variant is going to launch, which is already launched, and all. Then there is user center, which I will not open because there is some sensitive information related to me. Then there's the settings section where you can choose which page you want to land when you turn on this software. So I kept it home, and by default it's home. And I'm having ROG theme because I'm having a ROG laptop. That's very simple. If you are having a tough series or different ASUS series, you can select from this all. Then update center, recently before shooting this video only I checked for update and updated everything so that nothing get messed up. And then there is the version of this app, you can check from here also. Okay, so these are the app which you can also install on your smartphone, but this is not that optimized. I checked, like some features were not working, and also it was not getting connect. I don't know why. You can download the app and check if it's working for you, and let me know in the comment section. And also one more thing guys, which game you are playing recently and which game is your favorite from mobile one or laptop or PC games or Xbox game. Just let me know in the comment section which game you are interested in. So that was all about this software. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.